was talking about unstructured data, what I'm thinking about is kind of all of the data that comes out of the government that relates to a particular topic, but that it flows from in an unstructured way. It flows from a broad range of different sources, and that creates a real challenge of curation, of pulling it all together from all these disparate sources, and then relating it to a particular research question or whatever it is that you're working on. And so I think that it's interesting because one of the panelists that we have today, and we're going to hear from today, is Voxcov, kind of tackles exactly this kind of a big data problem. It aggregates information from a variety of different sources and then is able to deliver it in a form that makes it much more useful and comprehensible. And then when I think of structured data, I tend to think of data that actually does exist in a structured database collection, but where the structure of the database itself can be limiting in terms of the usefulness and accessibility of that data. And Pacer, unfortunately, is a great example of that. Pacer is an example of a kind of database where the structure provides a degree of usefulness, but it also, in many ways, limits and inhibits the usefulness of some of the information that it contains. And here again, we have a panelist today, Pacer Pro, that is a company that's sort of taking on the challenge of finding new and better ways to get value out of Pacer data and to make it much more useful and usable.